Alright guys, we got a startup of a new series. And in this one we're going to be restoring a True Temper Kelly Works flint edge. And we'll put a handle on it, sharpen the blade, restore the steel in the axe, and anything that I've missed. So we'll do a complete restoration on it. Okay, so to start off, we're just going to put a little bit of foam over it. So when we put it in, it doesn't leave any big indents because the teeth of my vise are really aggressive. So having the big old dents in our axe head will make it a lot harder for us to restore. Now that's done, we're gonna grab our center punch, and I'll be back with my hammer. Okay, so I got my hammer and my center punch, and we're just gonna start banging out the wood that's in the middle. Okay, so just to speed things up a little bit, I brought out my saw and we're going to just carefully dig a hole in the center. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our center punch and see if it'll give a little bit more. We'll switch to our junk chisel. I'll try to keep going around as much as we can. And we're going to drill it just a tad bit more. And that should probably do it. Just keep banging, wiggle it around. I'm not too worried about breaking this chisel. Got it for free. And it's not sharp at all. It's rusted. About to break. Switch to my bigger center punch. Just try to pound it out. And we'll just do a little bit of cleanup all around the edges. It's nice and easy. It's all loose. And guys, don't forget to share this channel because we are currently growing and it takes a lot to get it going. And every person that comes to the channel helps out quite a bit, so if you guys would just share it for us, and then make sure to hit the subscribe button because it helps a lot. So I'll see you guys on part 2. So see you guys later.